These are the Schindler 5400s at RBWH station. It's very heaps of these lifts have missing lenses. There's two sides, so I do both of them in one video. The voice in this one is very muffled. Oh, great. Car view. Maintained by Otis. Still 2009 apparently. One, two. Go two. We'll do the other side. 1600 kilograms, 21 persons. Cabinets are on level 2 for some reason. MXGC, of course. There's the red indicators. Red dot matrix is nice. This one has loud brakes. Oh, this one runs rough. Jeez. Wow. Jeez.
Going down.
That's kind of dodgy. Very rough. Oh, the RC. Try and get the other one.
Plaza. Going up. Going up.
This one has a missing lens. There's two, I guess. One's on this side, don't run as well. Odd.
Platform. Going down.
There you go.